We are always zipping around in life. We zip through our social media feeds. We zip through our looks. Our fast-paced life demands an equally zippy experience when buying electrical accessories. Presenting the first-of-its-kind electrical accessories and solutions buying experience. Legrand Zip. Legrand Zip makes it quick and convenient to access your preferred products and solutions, whether you seek them for your dream home or for a project for a prestigious client. Browse through the full array of Legrand offerings across categories and product lines. Experience the products in person. Get conversant with their technical specifications and get a better understanding about how they will fit into your space. Legrand Zip offers everything that creates a magnificent modern shopping experience. Personalization, convenience, smart solutions, quality products, digitally integration. Our experts can curate comprehensive home solutions from the vast array of products. Easy access to Legrand Zip stores coupled with the immersive product displays make for true shopping convenience. Beyond high-quality products, Legrand Zip stores offer smart product solutions that can be controlled and monitored from anywhere. Legrand Zip stores not only offer quality products, they also enable you to experience them. Look up your nearest Legrand Zip store. They are present at multiple locations across India. Legrand.